decode next week's key data with WeTrade. At 9:30 p.m. on 22 January, the U.S. will release its latest initial jobless claims figures. With inflation and consumer spending still driving the narrative, the market is mainly using this release to check whether its earlier view of U.S. economic resilience needs revisiting. If the figures don't deviate materially from expectations, attention will quickly shift to other, more important indicators. At 1 a.m. on 23 January, the U.S. will release the EIA crude oil inventory figures for the week ending 16 January. For the market, this release isn't just about short-term swings in oil prices. It's also a check on whether the oversupply narrative still holds, or if there are signs supply and demand are starting to rebalance. That in turn could shape expectations for both the oil price outlook and inflation. At 11 p.m. on 23 January, the U.S. will publish the final reading of the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index for January. Based on recent months, consumer confidence has remained choppy rather than moving in a clear direction. So the key this time is whether that pattern continues or whether we start to see a more convincing improvement. Taken together, these three releases point to one central question. Is the U.S. economy cooling gently, or is it still overheating? The answer will directly shape expectations for the pace of rate cuts, asset pricing, and overall risk appetite.